So I would like to call now on stage. Put your hands together. Let's invite. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Let's invite Divya. Please come on stage. Divya, please choose one person who can stand with you and compete with you. Choose faster. Go up. Choose one person.
Sudharani sir.
Sudharani, please come on stage. Okay, let's give them chance to introduce themselves. First, we shall just notice. Introduce yourself.
Good evening everyone. My name is Divya Haverpet. I am from Salkinkoppa. I have completed my education in MA in Economics from Karnataka University Dharwad. At present, I am preparing for my KSET exams and learning English because it helps my teaching field. And now I have no work experience, and I am a confident, hardworking, and self-motivated with individual. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Thank you so much, Divya, for introducing yourself. Divya, could you please guess what is she thinking about you? What is she thinking about you? Guess properly. Could you please guess what is she thinking about you?
She's judging me.
She is judging
Me.
you. Okay.
She's ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Huh.
ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ
Tell.
ಅವರು ಹೆದರಿ ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತಾರೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
Okay. Done. Could you please tell what is she thinking about you? Guess. She must be thinking something about you.
She also judging me.
She is also judging you. Could you please tell what is he thinking about you?
No sir, she is not thinking. Maybe.
Okay. Read the mind very clearly and see their expressions and tell me what is she thinking about you?
She's thinking, why are you not take my name?
Okay. So let's invite their third partner now on stage.
No sir, all but
Okay, no, I won't listen now. I would like to invite, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's invite. What's your name? Sorry, Yashoda. Please come on stage. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. I am Yashoda. I am from Santi Bastwar. I have completed my degree in Bachelor of Science at Karnataka Science College, Dharwad from Karnataka University. I am confident, self-motivated individual with a positive attitude. I continuously work on my strengthening communication and personality development for uh, giving effect for giving my presentation effectively. And um, thank you for giving such an opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you. Please figure out their expressions. What maybe they are thinking about you. Like example, particularly we shall pick up she. Please guess what is she thinking about you. Observe.
She thinking me like why she called my name. So,
Practically, she said that she is thinking that why she took her name to invite her on stage. So let's know it practically. So and now I will prove the reality. What are you thinking about her?
ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Wow, super. Please claps for her. See, I'll tell you the facts and the assumptions that we ourselves create, the hypothetical assumptions, and we make ourselves very bad, and we create people very bad in our own point of view. She said that she is thinking, I told you the scenario, And when I really asked her, she told that I'm thinking that she did it better than her. So it clearly indicates us that what we think about others that they are thinking about us is not the fact. We assume many things that we want, but that can never be the reality. Could you please introduce now?
Hi everyone. Good evening. I am Sudharani Dudnik. I am from Maharashtra. Now I am currently living in Harvard. I have completed my BA in the Solapur district. At present I am learning to spoken English with SAP. SAP. And my strength is I am hardworking, and my weakness is I am blindly believing that person. And I like watching the cartoon shows, and my hobbies is drawing, and also reading, and also like watching the movies. And thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself.
Wow, nice. Thank you so much. I would like to ask the question to three of you. What do you think? Who did best amongst you three?
Aishoda.
Yashoda. What do you think? Who did best? She is not accepting herself that she did best. She doesn't have a confidence that I did it best, and she is giving credit to others. Accept yourself. When they are taking your name, it is not compulsory to take their name.
Sir, no, before I
Reciprocal helping each other, no?
No, sir.
If they have taken my name, I should take their name. You are telling something.
no, sir, I planned what I say that I'm not clearly saying.
No, but at least you should accept. They themselves did not accept it that we did it better. They targeted you that you did it better. But you are again telling them that you are choosing people who themselves are not confident. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
But I like that, sir.
Of course, I agreed with that. But she should agree that
Sir.
she liked her own performance. Accept your tasks now. Accept it that you did it better. Tell who did best?
Me.
Yes, please clap for her now. ಬೈ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿನಂತ ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಸರಿನಾ ತಪ್ಪ? ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನೋ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೌಡಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ celebrate these small wins, isn't it? So this is everybody kindly ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಂಗೇನು we should accept that ನಾನು ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ತ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಯು.